My name is Anne and I'm an amateur van builder. I also have a full-time job and I'm a mom, but still I'm gonna make this work. Last you saw me, I was prepping my van for my first adventure. Let's see how that went. In my last video, I completed everything on this side of the list, plus my solar panel. So next up, before leaving, is finishing my sofa, my bed, the table, running water, and all the textiles that goes with these parts, of course. So let's start. I haven't been filming a lot while building today because some days you just don't feel like it, but I have worked with my bed solution because what I need to be finished before actually heading out is the bed. So I have this solution for the kids, so one can sleep there, so they put the legs inside, and the other can sleep in there with the legs inside. And then you just pull out this part and it's like a big bed area. So the second solution, if they don't want to sleep in there, is to just pull this sofa out and then they can sleep, both of them, on the sofa. And if no one is going to sleep there, then I can just have storage. Now I'm gonna try to figure out how I'm gonna attach my Lagoon table, and I'm thinking I'm gonna put it there, so I'm gonna have to build something stable here to hold the Lagoon table arm. Well, this is exciting. Wow. Oh, it's quite heavy. Okay, so this should probably work. I have to be honest and say that I'm actually quite happy with today's work. I've managed to hide my gas canister in a box. I've built the foundation for my Lagoon table and it looks super sturdy. Oh yeah. Okay, so now it's time for the wet area where I'm gonna keep my gray water and my freshwater tank. So this is under the sink. The plan is to use some leftover carpets, plastic carpets that I have, so I'm gonna glue those to both shelves. So on the second shelf I figured that the water tanks will fit perfectly. Then I need to prepare the hole for the tap, and then I'm ready for the install. Easy peasy. About working with stuff you never worked with before and you think you bought the right stuff. I thought I bought an end plug for this pipe for the faucet, but apparently I just bought some brass thingy. One car trip later, I think I got the right stuff. Oh yeah! Finally, this is perfect. I'm using a regular water pump, cheap one, with a switch so I can turn it on and off, since this is a pump that will just continue pumping. So if I get any leaks, I can get water damage in the van, and I really don't want that, do I? So I'm thinking that this is easy enough to fill with smaller water jugs. I can also just pull a hose into the van and fill it up. So now I actually have a fully working water system, and the pump is on. I have my on-off switch, and I'm gonna touch this, of course, but I'm just gonna show you. I got running water. Oh yeah. And when I open this up, it goes down to my grey water tank. So easy! I'm waiting for the paint to dry for the walls for the kids' beds. Meanwhile, I'm waiting. I'm gonna finish this area here. So I need to enclose this so it doesn't fall out and collect a lot of dust. I'm gonna make doors out of a frame. So I'm just gonna make frame with the material I got left and use old thin plywood in this dark color. I've decided on a few colors for the van. So first I got this dark gray. I got the greenish white, and it really complements the beige and the green, I think. So I'm really happy about that decision. I also got this see-through white, and I got a really compact white, this wet room white color that protects the wood much better than these paints do. So I'm getting along nicely. A lot of progress. Oh, and yesterday I almost finished my curtain for the bathroom. So I think I'm gonna be able to finish it today. I'm excited. This is going really well. Look at this. I finished my frames for the doors, and I think they're gonna fit perfectly there. But as usual, I'll just have to see the end result. Sometimes it doesn't end up as I planned. But still, you gotta try. So I puzzled together old bits of plywood and then just stapled it to a frame, and now I'm gonna paint it in this dark color. So this will be great. For this window, I have made my own mosquito net. Now the whole window is protected, so I can have this open during nights. During my van builds, I've been sewing everything by myself. It takes a lot of time, but I imagine that it saves me a lot of money. So I sew the drapes, the cover for my bulkhead, all the upholstery. It's not perfect or professional, but it works. I have repurposed mattresses for my sofa cushions. I found that it's much cheaper to actually buy curtains or stuff like that from IKEA, because the square meter price is much lower than buying textile online. What is fun is that Maya actually shows an interest in sewing, so she has helped me. Family fun. Okay, so now it's June. This is how far I've come. I think it's looking good. The bed is done, the sofa is complete. I got a table, fridge, running water. Yeah, I just need to clean this out. Don't forget to subscribe and like, and don't be shy, leave comment, please.